Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and I want to thank everybody that made comments on my previous video about shopping on AliExpress. And I got some good suggestions of things I should do to be careful. So I'm kind of thinking about doing it. And one of the radios I want to get is this one right here. I've been looking at this radio for 2 months. It's internet access so that you can go to stations on the internet, and it has built-in reception AM and FM, long wave, shortwave. But the typical price on Amazon is $249. Little beyond my budget, little beyond the credits I get from Amazon for my sales. One dealer has it for $199. Not too bad. Well, still kind of high. And then AliExpress says they have it for $16.29, which is, they say it's on sale from $23. That's a tenth of the price on Amazon. Can I believe this? Now, one of the suggestions that I got was, if it's too good to be true, then it's not true. Well, this is too good to be true. And it takes a long time to get it. I think the dealer I selected on AliExpress said it would be here by March 31st. And of course, today is March 12th. That's not too bad if they really made it on March 31st. Free shipping. What? Free shipping from China, of course. So I'm really tempted to order this. Now, I haven't done which one person suggested, maybe two, was get me a debit card with a finite dollar amount, say $200, so that if it gets hacked, I'm only out $200. That's probably what I'll do. That's a good suggestion. I was going to just get a new credit card and use that and only put a cap on it of, say, $500. But the other idea, one of those debit cards, probably a better idea, because then the maximum they can hit you up for theoretically is whatever you've put into it, which is, like I say, $200, $300. So I'm right on the fence right now to get this radio. I'm not even positive this is a good radio. I've watched many reviews of it, and they've been mixed. They say that it's a little difficult to use. Well, no, some of them say it's difficult to use to get internet radio stations, to get to them. So I'm kind of on the fence. I don't want a radio that I got to do a lot of fussing with. So I don't know. This is another one over here that I've been thinking about, although it's kind of gimmicky. So I'm not too excited about that one. Let me see if there's any other ones here when I did this search on this one. Now, here's another example. This one is about $68 on Amazon. And on Banggood, another Chinese distributor, it's $68. So I'm like, well, that's no bargain. I just get it from Amazon. It's safer. So probably, and not probably, most likely, you can even get this from Walmart for $64. Again, it comes from China. Let me just do something real quick, since I'm kind of trying to get your input. Let me click on this one. Okay, it comes, let's see, delivery arrives March 24th. So that's 12 days from today. And let's see. I don't see what the shipping is. Yeah, I don't see the shipping. But let's do a search on this. Search on that part. I bet you it's on AliExpress. Yep, there it is. No, that's not it. That's not it. AliExpress. There it is. Same price. No, I didn't notice this before. Remote control. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for one of these DSP radios that has remote control. Excuse me. So I can set it up on a shelf and control it remotely. But it's no deal on AliExpress. No deal on Banggood. May just have to get it from Amazon. Trying to see if anybody, and there's one dealer for $56. So no $13 or $12. So that's surprising. You know, here's one that AliExpress doesn't have a super discount on. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think. I love the suggestions. I love the comments. Have a great day. Bye-bye.